Telehealth has really been an interesting kind of development for us, and COVID has had a lot of negative things, but telehealth for us has been really a boon to being able to treat a lot more patients that have substance use disorders. It's broken down a lot of barriers surrounding transportation and work issues, so that we have the ability to care for and treat a lot more patients that have substance use disorders. And so that has actually been sort of a blessing for us, giving us the ability to treat patients in that way. My approach to treating patients really is focused on finding out what patients' goals are for their lives. I really like hearing patients' stories. I really like to hear what they think is important in their stories. I like to find what they would like to see different in their lives and help them reach those goals. And so my approach really is storytelling, because I think I get a lot more from patients when I give them the chance to tell their stories, and be able to tell me what they would like to see different for their lives. Addiction has so much stigma surrounding it, and I think the more education we can do surrounding helping people understand that this truly is a disease rather than a moral failing or a character flaw is an important part of my work. In that vein, my ability then to teach has been just a blessing for me as well, because that's a new process for me. So I get the chance now to interact with medical students and with residents and now fellows in our addiction fellowship, and be able to teach them about addiction, about substance use disorders, and how to treat, diagnose, to talk with patients that have substance use disorders. I really think my own journey in recovery has given me just a level of empathy and compassion that, unless you've experienced what it's like to have substance use disorders, it's hard to understand the true suffering and pain that people experience. They don't just wake up one morning and think, you know what, today I think I'm going to develop addiction. It's something that happens to them over time. It's an illness, a disease that needs to be made well. And I think the more I can approach patients like that, the more I can talk with them and celebrate the things that go well for them, to celebrate their victories, and help them through their downfalls. I think the better chance they have of reaching the goals they have for their lives. My vision right now, or what I'd like to see, is I really would like to see us be able to train more than one fellow per year. And I think we have the ability to do that. We have passionate teachers. We have clinical sites that are excellent, that can serve as teaching opportunities, but also sites then that can also provide evidence-based, excellent care for our patients as well. So I really think we will have the ability to treat more than one per year. I also think we have the ability to extend our education and our executive fellowship to make it so that we're giving more and more people opportunities to learn about substance use disorders and how to provide care.